TinkerCAD tips, welcome back. This is part 4 and the final installment on this really cool Dodge Demon key fob that we've been putting together here. And in the last one we had put the insets into the white part and put the logo and the lettering on this side of it. We're doing the same thing here. We've already put the inset in. So as before, we're going to take our work plane here and put that on top of the white part. For each one of these, we're going to drop it down and inset it. So we're going to select that. D to drop. I have my snap grid set at 1. This is 2 millimeters thick. So I'm going to hold down the control key and using my cursor down, my cursor or arrow key, I'm going to go down 2 millimeters. Red part. We're going to drop that down. 2 millimeters. Take this black part, D to drop it. 1, 2. Let's go ahead and put our work plane back on the default. All right, everything is ready to go. Got that side ready, that side ready. Now we're going to combine all of these so that we end up with just 3 STLs here, one for each of the colors. I believe the white part is already whole. Let's go ahead and we'll select the white part, and for now we can just bring this up. Yep, there's no additional parts there, so that one's fine. So for the time being, let's go ahead and we're going to hide that, so Control H. All right, now we're going to do the red parts here. So I'm going to kind of zoom in here. I'm going to select on this portion of it here. I'm going to rotate under, holding the Shift key. I'm going to select this red part. You can see here I have 2 shapes. I'm going to group those 2 together. Can move this up and out of the way. That leaves us all the remainder of it that's black. So we can lasso select around all of those. There's 5 shapes in there. There's 2 of the face, 2 of the outlines, and then we have this border. We're going to group all of that together. Once that's all grouped, we should be done here. Let's go ahead and hit Control-Shift-H to bring back anything that was hidden. I'm going to do Control-A to select everything. I'm going to do Align, and then I'm going to click on this black part down here that's on the work plane. We're going to align everything to that. We're going to click this little middle button over here. That brings everything back together the way it should be. We'll zoom in. We can look down the side. We can see that that's all flush. Come down here. Let's select all of that. Holding Shift, I'm going to rotate this over 180 degrees. Everything looks the same on that side. Now, I don't necessarily have a bamboo printer myself, but I'm given to understand that if we export this as an OBJ, that these 3 STLs and some of this color information will be exported with it. So I'm going to hit Control-A, click on Export, and over here, instead of STL that we normally click on, we're going to click on OBJ. And once it's ready, it'll pop up with the dialog here. And in my folder, I already have a new folder here called Dodge Demon Keychain. We're going to go in there, and it's going to be creating us a zip file. I'm going to click on Save. That's been saved off. And if I come back over here, you see we have this zip file in that folder. Just for the sake of seeing what's in here, let's go ahead and extract this. See what's in that folder. There's our OBJ and our MTL information. In any case, there you have it. Really cool Dodge Demon Keychain Fob, done in 3 separate colors, each being a separate STL. Again, like I said, you can click on the portions of this and separate them. There's the white portion of it, the red portion, and the black portion. There you have it. As always, like, follow, and share. If you have questions or comments, feel free to drop those. If you have ideas for new TinkerCAD tips, DM those to me. Would love to hear them. Would love to create new content for you guys. In any case, hope you guys enjoyed these particular tutorials on this really cool keychain, and we'll see you on the next one.